Hey guys, on request of many beginner artists, I did this close portrait work. Many beginner artists faced lots of problem to draw side face about 70-degree tilted. Hey my friends, this is the portrait of Sai Pallabi and this face is tilted 70 degree. What does it mean 70 degree tilted? See. This is the straight portrait where the face is 90 degree angled with the eyes of the viewer. Like me, I can see it straightly, 90 degrees straight, this portrait work. And the face is, see, perpendicular with the floor. So if it is floor, it is raised 90 degree upward straight. But for the case of this portrait, it is tilted. If this is the midline, I hope you know what is the midline. See, this is the midline. So it is creating a 70 degree angle. And this portrait has so many difficulties. I'm explaining one by one all of them. First problem is the ratio of the both eyes are not same. If it is this much, this size is much lesser in size. What do you say? So there has some problem. And once again, this nose area separation with color. See, this nose is not at all straight. It is not 90 degrees straight. It is 90 degrees straight. And if it is side faced, that will be 180 degree. But it is somehow 120 or 125 degree tilted, isn't it? And once again, see, the third problem is with this lip. Lips are also angled, so we can't use this 1:1 ratio. Means 1:1 is not possible. If this one is the midline, so this is not the half of the another part. So here also you can see the problem is there. Again, the most difficult problem is here the light is straightly appeared, so this is the lightest portion and this is the darker portion cause this is far behind than this area. But the interesting thing is that these areas are belonging from same face, so we need to keep the tone properly. So for me, I think beginners should have so many problems with this portrait. So let's start working on it. Drawing straight face is not the most difficult job. The most difficult job is drawing tilted face less than 90 degree. Side face is again bit easier than tilted. So today's video is very important for the beginners. So many Instagram requests continuously I am receiving on this problem. They said that they are using Lumi's method and easily draw the straight face, but not the tilted one. See, tilted face can be at many directions, but I have selected this one cause for portraits of actor and actresses, this pose is most common one. I will suggest you while you are watching this video, do one rough practice at the same time. Pause the video and say it with me. It will hardly take 15 minutes, but you will learn many things. See very carefully how and where I am using which tone. For better result, you practice with single color or with graphite 10B pencil. Working with single pencil give you more accurate knowledge of tone. You could be able to judge the lightest and darkest tone at the same time. My beginner friends, if you are only watching this video, it will not be as useful for you as if you do practice at the same time. The tone details I am giving you now, you list them carefully. Her skin tone is very fair. For that I have selected 5 pencils of all the shades of pink color. that is from dark pink to light pink. For eyes, I have used charcoal pencil and black color pencil and two variants of red color for giving details. For eyebrows, first tone gave with charcoal and second tone with black pencil and blended them with light pink or cream color. For lips, I have used two variants of red and light pink, and for lip separation use charcoal and black color pencil. Overall, for blending purpose, I have used white color pencil. For background, I have used sea green color. One professional artist must have the ability to draw portrait at any angle, and if you have any other problem being a beginner, then comment me and send your work at my Instagram ID, that is Drawwithsutapaghosh. So this is all about today's video. You observe the video very carefully. If you think this video is useful, then like it. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more such videos. See you on next video, where I will teach you how to shade a statue, which is again a difficult job for beginners. Till then, take care. Bye.